अरे यार मेरा कंसीलर मुझे ब्लश.
Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on that bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified about it. In today's video, I am actually going to create a Karwa Chauth look. As you guys know that Karwa Chauth is almost around the corner, so I thought that I might as well do it because it's been a very long time since I actually did a makeup tutorial on my channel. So I thought that this is a very nice opportunity to do that. So this entire video is actually going to be a voiceover, क्योंकि अगर मैं voiceover नहीं करूँगी तो explain करते करते the video is actually going to become a 20-minute long video. So which is why this video is going to be a voiceover, and also the fact that this look that I'm going to create in today's video is a super easy beginner friendly look that anybody can create using just 2 or 3 colors of eyeshadows. So if you guys want to know how and what look am I going to create in today's video, please keep on watching. So I've already done my skincare and now I'm going to start my makeup with the primer. For primer, I'm using the Blue Heaven Studio Perfection Oil Free Primer. I'm going to apply this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW06 Glow as my eyeshadow base. Next, I'm taking this deep angled concealer brush of Cuffs and Lashes to blend the concealer of my eyelids. To set the concealer, I'm going to take the Sugar Cosmetics Set the Tone Tinted Powder in the shade 15 Cappuccino. For today's eye look, I'm using the Nicka K Under the Sea eyeshadow palette. I will be applying this brown color all over my eyelids using a fluffy brush. Then I will apply this rose gold shimmery shade on my eyelids using my fingertips. Using a fluffy brush, blend everything so that there are no harsh lines. Starting with the base, the foundation that I'm using today is the Colorbar 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation in the shade FW 2.3. This foundation shade is slightly light for my skin tone, but I was successful in making it work for me. Now I'm blending the foundation using the Cuffs and Lashes Deep Angled Flat Foundation brush. Using the same concealer that I used on my eyelids, under the eyes, and also on the face where I have blemishes to cover them. Using the same deep angled concealer brush of Cuffs and Lashes to blend the concealer. Setting the under eyes using the Sugar Cosmetics Set the Tone Tinted Powder. For contouring my face, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade 02 Woody Wonder. For blush, I'm using the K-Beauty Matte Blush in the shade Dusty Rose. For highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow. Now I'm going to complete my eye look by using the same brown color on my lower lash line. For doing my eyebrows, I have used the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in the shade Medium Brown. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone. For eyeliner, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Shine Line in the shade Black. For kajal, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Ultimate Kohl Kajal in the shade Black. For fixing everything in place, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Natural. Lastly, a red lipstick, and for today's look I'm using the Nicka Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick in the shade Guva Hottie. Any Karwa Chauth look is incomplete without a red lipstick, and this one is just the perfect shade with a tint of orange in it. this is the final look, and I am pretty happy with the way it has turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as well, and I hope that this video was actually helpful for you guys as well. And if you happen to recreate this look on Instagram, do not forget to tag me. My Instagram handle is given in the description box below. I would love to see you guys recreate this and actually tag me in them. I know I don't have a very big follower base, तो मुझे लगता नहीं कि कोई recreate करेगा, but अगर कोई करता है तो please मुझे tag करना मत भूलना. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below, and all the products that I've used in today's video, सबकी link नीचे description box पे होगी, so you guys can go and check it out. And if my shade matches to yours, or you know, if you want to use anything that I have used in today's video, you can go and scroll down in the description, click on those links and purchase them. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe, and happy Karwa Chauth.